Last year, a number of housing experts thought home prices would crash in 2023. Those forecasts made a lot of people unsure about the strength of the housing market. As this data from Fannie Mae shows, last December, thanks to those expert forecasts, a larger percentage of Americans thought prices would go down over the next 12 months than in any other December in the history of this survey. As a result, people were hesitant about buying and selling homes as we entered 2023. However, confidence in home prices has slowly improved this year since they didn't crash like some experts thought. In fact, nationally, there was only a small dip in prices during the second half of last year, and they've already bounced back this year as home values are on the rise again. Don't let the headlines about home prices mislead you. Believe it or not, the housing market is stronger than you might think. If you want to know what's really happening with prices in your local area, call me.